Hello, let me show you how you can try to fix the issue with incoming call not showing on Samsung Galaxy S25. There are several things that we can do in order to try to fix this issue. The first and foremost, make sure that the DND mode is not enabled. You might have Do Not Disturb enabled in the past and you forgot about it, and this causes the issue of not showing the incoming call when someone calls you. So make sure that it is disabled. Of course, you can do this through the quick settings, but also you can go to settings, then here we want to go to notifications, and here we have Do Not Disturb. But besides that, we can also make sure that the schedule is not set up for the DND mode in order to prevent it from being re-enabled once again in the future. Of course, unless you wish to. Now, besides that, if you are sure that DND is not causing this issue, another thing that you can do is open the phone app, then go to these three dots that you can have on the right side or in the top right side of the phone, and open settings. Then over here, go to call display while using apps, and what you can do in order to try to prevent this issue from reappearing or appearing in general is to set to full screen. So whether you are using an app or playing a game, whatever, you will still get the full screen information about the incoming call, and you should be able to answer it or decline it. Now, if that didn't help, besides that, we can go back to settings and make sure that there's also no mode or routine that was set up that can also enable DND mode. So even if you didn't set up the schedule in the previous notification settings, you might still have automatic DND set up by either a mode or routine. So go through them and make sure that the DND is not interfering with calls. Now, another thing that we can do is in the settings we can go to apps. Now first, we're gonna tap on this icon on the right side so that we can enable system apps, so we can see every app possible that we have on the phone. And now let's search. First, we're gonna enter phone. Let's open phone. We want to force stop the app and press OK. Scroll down to storage, and we want to clear data and delete. Besides that, do the same thing with another phone if you have more than one, and do the same thing. After that, go to phone calls and do the same thing again. If you have two phone calls, like I do over here, you want to select that one that doesn't have this blue additional icon in the bottom right corner. So let's select this, force stop, storage, and clear data. And next, we're gonna type call. And let's do the same thing, so select call, force stop, and storage, and clear data. Next, let's go to call services. Do the same thing. Alright. And call BG provider. Once again. You can also do the same thing with call content provider. And this time I can only clear cache, so we can clear cache instead of data. And I believe this is pretty much all that we can do. So I hope that this fixes the issue. I'm gonna actually call, oh, and before we actually end the video, remember to tap on the phone icon again, go to the phone app again. You want to open it at least once so that all of the background actions are triggered, and you should have no issues at all with incoming calls anymore. So let's see if that works for me. And as you can see now, it works for me. And I hope it also works for you. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!